It's 2025, and with that comes the Crypto.com and Cronos Labs 2025 roadmap. And inside that roadmap, there are many, many great bullish things coming out. But one of them I want to talk about today is the Cronos burn, the Crocoin burn, guys. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Let's hop into this video. All right, guys, so we are looking at crypto Twitter right now. You can follow me at 333Blacksea. This post went pretty viral that I posted, and I say, please look at the crypto.com. Please look at this crypto.com. This is the kind of burn that would send Crow above $5. And the reason why I'm telling crypto.com to look at this is because we haven't really gotten a lot of clarity on the Crocoin burn just yet. But I do know it's going to come and is a bullish thing for Cronos and the Crocoin price. I say, my Crow fam, this is what Cronos Chain needs to bring speculation to Crow. Look what happened to BitGet's BGB price after they announced the burn. Repost this, okay? I'm talking about how BGB, BitGet's token, went up 1,305% in the year. And towards the end, when they announced this, over the course of a month or two, you saw a massive gain. They went from $2, underneath $2 to $8, guys. And I do expect something similar like this to play out when Cronos Labs implements a Crocoin burn, guys. So get behind this message, send it out. I think, like, how many people liked this? We had 431 people liked it. We had 50,000 people see it. People are excited about it. The Crow fam is excited about a Crocoin burn. And I don't blame you guys. I am too. I know that that's going to bring huge speculation to the ecosystem, bring more builders to the ecosystem, and it's just going to bring volume to the chain all across the board. So let's look at Crocoin. Crocoin is trading beneath the 20-cent price level. We've been talking about this for quite some time, guys. But I'll be honest with you. We're starting to see some signals here that is showing that potentially the bottom is in. And when we're looking specifically at Crocoin in a vacuum, we're not even talking about Bitcoin dominance or where the Bitcoin price is at. It's showing a bottom signal. It's showing potentially a bottom signal for the green dot on market cipher on volume. Usually you see that as a buy signal. And, you know, guys, we're seeing the money flow is still there, and we're seeing the momentum start to curve. I wouldn't be surprised to see this curl up and start to make it. What I really want, I really will say, it's all speculation, all right? Let's dial it back a second. It's all speculation. When it comes to technical analysis, if we can close above, say, I would even say 16 cents. If we can see daily candle closures above 16 cents, well, then it is a higher low. And that'll be the beginning of potentially a reversal here to come and test the 20-cent price level. And you guys know, if you've been watching the Crypto Report for a while now, I've been screaming at the rooftops. When we see daily, weekly, monthly candle closures above the 20-cent price level, there is not much holding Crocoin back from 40 cents. There's not many levels that are going to smack it down. Once we get to like 40 cents, 45 cents, then I do expect a little bit of a cool-off period. But really, there's not much stopping us once we get above 20 cents to get to that point. And guys, 40 cents is 40% of the way to $1, and I do expect $1 to play out this cycle as long as Bitcoin dominance plays nice. So now we're going to be looking at Crocoin out of the vacuum. As long as Bitcoin dominance looks nice and it is nice to us, and as long as Bitcoin holds up relatively well here. And I do see some signals. We'll be looking at that shortly. But I do want to say, if you guys think right now is a good time to be buying that dip, then please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Below, and you get a $5,000 sign-in bonus, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. As well as, guys, I do want to say that, you know, Crypto.com has been coming out with a lot of these new card bonuses. And if you want a Visa card that's attached to crypto where you can spend crypto and get cash back in crypto, you can build more Crocoin, build your Crocoin stack, then I really recommend you sign up below and get a crypto debit card. I've had the rose gold card for quite some time. Let's see if you guys can see it. I've had the rose gold card for a significant amount of time. I upgraded, and maybe I'll upgrade again. I kind of want the Obsidian card, but if you guys want to spend your crypto, especially, it's a really good way in the bear markets. I usually am using my card all throughout the bear market to accumulate more crypto, get that cash back in crypto. I think mine is set at 5% cash back, which is pretty unheard of for a lot of credit cards and debit cards. So check out those if you want a card. There's many different tiers. There's like a $50 tier all the way up to $1 million tier. I know it sounds crazy, but if you're a big crypto whale, maybe you want the $1 million tier because you can get a lot of cash back. There's tons of other perks as well. But so where is Crocoin right now? Cronos is sitting at rank 36, down about 0.6% in the day, or past 7 days, and down about 2% in the past 24 hours. We are sitting beneath a $4 billion market cap. Really would like to see us break above it, get back to a $5 billion market cap, and around $5 billion is about the 20-cent price level. So that's where my eyes are really honed in on here for Cronos, because really, we're kind of just chopping around and waiting for Bitcoin to make a decision. But guys, look at the entire market, okay? Bitcoin's trading at $96,600. Got a nice bump over the past couple days. And I know this sounds crazy, but I don't really want to see us make a huge bounce right now, because based on January statistics, if you see a big bounce in the beginning of the month, usually we have a significant sell-off, a significant sell-off in the later half of the month. And usually when it's the opposite way, if you see just sideways price action, a little bit of a drop in the beginning of January, then you usually see massive moves to the upside for January. So I don't really want to see a bounce here, but hey, if we're making a bounce and the S&P 500 in the traditional market can recouple with Bitcoin, then I'll say, okay, we're probably going to continue to make our moves to the upside. But that's for another video, looking into the decoupling of the S&P 500 and Bitcoin. It's very important, especially if you're a Crocoin bull and an altcoin bull, but different video. Bitcoin dominance trade at 56.29%. When we exclude stablecoins, basically 58.3%. Guys, we're breaking down here, okay? Like, altcoin season is here. It's just a matter of what the velocity is going to be. Are we going to see this break down significantly right now? Or are we going to see this slowly bleed out here? Regardless, I do expect this to continue to make its way down. I expect it to break down below this level here at about 54.5%. I do expect that, and I do expect it to make a lower low. I do expect this to really start and ignite this altcoin season. But it is important that we're looking at Bitcoin. I will show you what I'm talking about here, guys. We need to hold above $88,000 to $85,000, okay? I think that the pressure is to the downside, all right, in the later half of January. But if we hold above 88K, 85,000 throughout the month, and we don't dip below that, then we're probably getting ready to bounce here and probably test like 103,000. And if we see weekly, daily candle closures above like 103K, we're going to be heading to new all-time highs. And when that happens, and you couple that with Bitcoin dominance selling off, I expect a nice push to the upside for Crocoin. I really do. But we really need to be paying attention to where Bitcoin's headed here, because if we do close below 88,000, trading is just probability, statistics. We can close below 88K and 85,000. And if we do that, then I would say, okay, guys, we're probably going to be trading sideways for a significant amount of time. And this bull market is probably going to get pushed much further into, say, Q4 2025, or maybe the second half of 2025. That's why right now we really need to be dialed into where Bitcoin is, what levels is it trading at, and where Bitcoin dominance is, where is it trading at. But guys, the S&P 500, that's an interesting one. The past week, the S&P, the NASDAQ, triple Qs have been selling off, and Bitcoin is making a bounce today. They usually don't decouple for that long, especially in the way when the traditional market is coming down, Bitcoin's going up. Usually, Bitcoin will come down to catch up with the S&P. It's usually not the other way around. So I am a little bearish. I am a little bearish in the short term. But in the medium to long term, guys, 2025 is going to be a very, very bullish year, in my opinion. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Please go follow me on Instagram and Twitter at 333blackc, and check out those awesome links down below. Blowfin, $5,000 sign bonus, 10% off all trading fees. And like I showed you before, Crypto Visa card, take advantage of that, guys. Crypto.com is a great company. We've been promoting it for years on this channel, and we never had a paid sponsorship. We have an affiliate link with them now, and it's the bull market, guys. It's that time. They want you to use their product, and you should. It's a good product. Their cards have made me a lot of money just by accumulating throughout the bear market, getting that cash back on the Visa card. It's good stuff. But that's all I got. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.